Hello everyone, welcome to the BratOwl walkthrough. Today I will be showing you how to extract information from an insurance document. Log in with your BratOwl credentials. Once logged in, click on the Upload Document button and select your document. Click on Process Document Now and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, click on the Ready to Review tab. Then click on your document from the list. On this page, you can review the extracted information and compare with a preview of the document. Once all is fine, go ahead and click Generate Template Doc, which opens a preview of the extracted template data. Scroll to the bottom and click on Generate and Download to download your template document, and you are done.